Hello everyone. Today I am going to do a demo video for our workflow that sends PDF generated data from PDFShift Adaptor to WhatsApp. So PDFShift Adaptor is an adapter that talks to PDFShift API, which is a solution that is designed to automate document conversion tasks. So we are using the API to help us convert different types of data, either a URL string, a URL from any website that can be generated to PDF, or a HTML data. For today's demo, we will use HTML data to generate it into PDF and then send it to WhatsApp. So we currently have input data, so we'll use sales data and the current date, and we'll create it inside our editor. We are using the data in the date field for this paragraph, and the sales, we are appending it in the total sales paragraph. We want to send a HTML string that contains styles, so basic HTML, and then we are putting sandbox as true for the dev environment. When you use PDF adapter, it returns for you a base64 string, which is in PDF, a PDF which is base 64. You can use this in any system, but for the demo purposes, we are using a new option called file name. When you use file name with PDFShift adapter, it's going to return for you an object, and this object contains a property URL, and it is a link of the hosted generated PDF on PDFShift's S3 bucket on AWS. So this link is available for download for 48 hours. So you have to ensure you download it before it expires. So when we test this workflow, we will see how we generate a PDF with file name. So the name here, trials.pdf, will be the identifying name when it is being hosted on the S3 bucket. So when we run it, in our output, we have data, and then we have this URL. So this is the URL of the generated PDF. And when we follow the link, we see we have this, our PDF has been generated, as you can see here. So since we have generated our PDF, we can send it to WhatsApp. So the URL that we have, we are sending it as a document to WhatsApp in our WhatsApp adapter. So we are saying in the header, we want to send a document, and then we are sending the URL, which is our link. So in the output, you receive a success, and the message has been sent. If you would wish to use a HTML string in the adapters, it is also possible. If you would want to switch it from a HTML string to a normal URL, that is possible. So if you do example.com, we can make a similar request and have our link coming from this URL. So from this website URL that we have, example.com, we have generated a different link. So when you follow the link, we get example.com's website page has been generated into PDF format. So you can try as many different formats as you want, and this data makes it easy for you to send it to different areas, and that will be the demo for today. Thank you.